In this video, we're going to be talking about how to access your Gemini Advanced feature. So let's get straight into the video. Simply go ahead and open your Gemini application and make sure that you are logged in into your account. Finally, once you've done that, you want to click on your triple lines on the top left, or you could also click on your profile on the top right and click on upgrade to Google AI Plus. And only when you upgrade to your Gemini Advanced, you can go to your settings and complete the on-screen steps and use multiple different advanced features and benefits like Gemini 1.5, so access to Google's most capable AI model for complex tasks. You can also get deep research, an AI agent that conducts in-depth real-time research available on the desktop and mobile. And you can also have document analysis, like upload and analyze documents, PDFs, or codes up to 1,500 pages, and also 2 TB worth of storage. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.